The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is getting closer to its official reveal, and the latest leaks are making this phone look much more interesting than expected. Google appears to be preparing several changes that could make the Pixel 11 Pro XL stand out, especially in design, cameras, performance, and AI features. One of the most unusual upgrades could be the new Pixel Glow LED matrix. Leaked information suggests that this could add a soft blue light to the back of the phone, but it may not be just for looks. The lighting could be used for notifications, alerts, and even custom patterns connected to different apps. This would give the Pixel 11 Pro XL a unique feature that most other flagship phones don't have. The design itself is also expected to receive some refinements. The phone could come with a stronger aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 3, potentially making it more resistant to scratches and accidental drops. The overall look is expected to remain premium while becoming more polished, but the camera system could be where things get really interesting. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to offer up to 120 times zoom, compared with the 100 times zoom reportedly available on the previous generation. On paper, that sounds like a small increase, but Google's image processing could make a much bigger difference. The phone is also expected to use AI to improve low-light photos, recognize scenes more intelligently, and process images faster. Another rumored feature is motion capture. This could use AI to track moving subjects and keep them in focus, helping users capture sharper photos of pets, children, sports, or anything else that refuses to stay still. Powering all of this could be Google's next-generation Tensor G6 chip. The new processor is expected to focus heavily on AI, efficiency, and everyday performance. Faster multitasking, smoother gaming, quicker photo processing, and better on-device AI could all be part of the upgrade. The Tensor G6 may also bring smarter features such as real-time translation and improved predictive text. More importantly, Google's focus on efficiency could help the phone manage power more intelligently. The system may adjust performance depending on what the user is doing, potentially improving battery life without making the phone feel slower. Software could be another major part of the Pixel 11 Pro XL experience. Google is reportedly working on several AI-powered features, including a possible return of an animal rescue feature designed to help identify and locate lost pets. The idea is unusual, but it shows how Google could use AI for more than just photo editing or chatbots. Other rumored features include smarter voice controls, personalized app suggestions, stronger security, and a new focus mode. This mode could use AI to reduce unnecessary notifications and keep attention on important tasks. And there may still be surprises. Some reports point toward additional AI features, deeper Google ecosystem integration, and possibly new augmented reality capabilities. Audio could also receive improvements, with better stereo speakers and spatial audio being possible additions. Of course, none of these details should be treated as confirmed until Google officially reveals the phone. Leaks can change, and some rumored features may never make it into the final product. Still, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is looking like a serious upgrade. A distinctive LED system, 120 times zoom, AI-powered photography, Tensor G6 performance, smarter software, and improved durability could make this one of the most interesting Pixel launches yet. The official reveal is now very close, so the biggest question is no longer whether Google has something new planned. It's how many of these leaked features will actually make it into the final phone. If these Pixel 11 Pro XL leaks sound impressive, share your thoughts in the comments. Would the Pixel Glow and 120 times zoom be enough to make you consider buying it? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more smartphone leaks and tech updates, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update.